How to use credit balance in Temu. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can use credit balance in Temu. For this, launch open the Temu app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. If you do not have this application, you can head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install this. Now, Temu Credit is the money balance you have stored in your Temu Credit account. You can get credit in different ways like offers and promotions on both the app and the site. It can be usually used on anything throughout the shopping platform. Now, if you have enough Temu Credit and you want to use it, the first thing you want to do is explore the website and start browsing the items that you want to purchase. Now, simply tap on this cart icon to add these items to your cart. Once you have added all the items to your cart, tap on this cart icon. Now tap on the checkout option. Here, you want to enter your shipping address. After that, you want to select your shipping method. Now you want to select your payment method. So you can select whichever payment method you want. Here you will have the option of credit balance. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you want to enter the amount of credit balance you want to use and then tap on the apply option. If your credit balance can cover the amount of your order entirely, then you can move ahead with it, or you can pay the remaining amount of the order through your preferred payment method. Now tap on the submit order option. Once you have successfully paid, you want to wait for the confirmation mail. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.